Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, we will solve questions from Figure It Out. First question is, which of the following numbers are not perfect squares? And the options are 2032, 2048, 1027, 1089. We know that a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Here 2032 ends with 2, 2048 ends with 8 and 1027 ends with 7. So these are not perfect squares. Next number is 1089. It ends with 9. We know that a perfect square can end with 9, but all the numbers which end with 9 are not perfect squares. So, 1089 may or may not be a perfect square. To know whether 1089 is a perfect square or not, let us do its prime factorization and find out. The prime factors of 1089 are in pairs. So 1089 is a perfect square for sure. Question number 2 is, which one among 64 square, 108 square, 292 square, 36 square has last digit 4? This means if we will find out squares of these numbers, in which case the last digit or the unit place will have digit 4. We have already read properties of square numbers in previous videos, and if you have not seen my previous videos, please watch it. We know that if a number ends with 2 or 8, then its square ends with 4. So here answer is 108 square, as 108 ends with digit 8. And 292 square because 292 ends with digit 2. The next question is, it is given that if 125 square equals to 15,625, then what is the value of 126 square? We know that 125 square is same as the sum of first 125 odd numbers starting from 1. And 126 square can be written as sum of first 126 odd numbers starting from 1. And this is same as sum of first 125 odd numbers plus 126th odd number. Now we will find out 126th odd number. And we can use here the formula 2n minus 1. N is 126. And 126th odd number will be 2 into 126 minus 1. That is equals to 252 minus 1. That is 251. So our answer is 15,625 plus 251. Next question is, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Here area is given 441 meter square. We know that area is side into side. That means side is square root of area. So we will find out square root of 441 meter square. If we'll do prime factorization of 441, it is 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. And its square root is 3 into 7, which is 21. So side is equals to 21 meter. Next question is, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers 4, 9 and 10. First, let us find out the smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. To find the number we have to find out the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. The LCM of 4, 9 and 10 is 180. So 180 is the smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. But is it a square number? Let us do its prime factorization and find out. Here you can see its prime factors are not in pairs. So 180 is not a square number. But in our question, it is asked to find the smallest square number, which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. You can observe in the prime factorization, number 5 is not paired. If we pair of 5, then the number which we'll get will be a square number. So we can multiply 5 with another 5 to make the number a perfect square. And if we'll do so, our answer will be 900. That means 900 is the smallest square number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Next question is given. Find the smallest number by which 9408 must be multiplied so that product is a perfect square. Find the square root of the product. So we will do prime factorization of 9408. And it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. You can observe here 3 is not paired up. So 9408 is not a perfect square. Now we will find the smallest number which must be multiplied with 9408 to get a perfect square. As 3 is not paired up, we will pair it up by multiplying one more 3. So 3 is the smallest number which must be multiplied with 9408 to get a perfect square. And if we multiply, we'll get 28,224, and this is the product. And we have to find out its square root. Its square root is, from each pair we will take one of the prime factor. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3, which is equals to 168. Here is the next question. To find how many numbers lie between squares, we will use this formula. Here in 2n, n represents the smallest number. So between squares of 16 and 17, 2 into smallest number is 16. So into 16 is 32. So 32 numbers are there between squares of 16 and 17. Between squares of 99 and 100, 2 into 99, that is 198. 198 squares are there. In this question, we will use the pattern and find out missing numbers. Here 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 into 2, that is 2. So 2 square is equals to 3 square. Then 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3, that is 6. So 6 square is 7 square. Next, 3 square plus 4 square plus 3 into 4, that is 12. So 12 square is 13 square. So next will be 4 square plus 5 square plus 4 into 5, 20 square. So plus 20 square is same as 21 square. Next, 9 square plus 10 square plus 9 into 10, which is 90. So 90 square is equals to 91 square. In this question, we will find out number of tiny squares. Here, let us call the bigger square as big square and this square as small squares. You can see inside each small square, there are some more smaller squares. Let us call them tiny squares. In the big square, side is 9 units or 9 small squares are there in each side. So number of small squares in the big square is 9 into 9, which is equals to 81. Then you can see in each small square side is 5 units. So 5 into 5, 25 tiny squares are there inside each small square. So in each small square there are 25 tiny squares. In the figure there are 81 small squares. So total number of tiny squares in the figure is 81 into 25, which is equals to 2025. So our answer is 2025. Next, it is asked to do prime factorization of 2025. If we'll do prime factorization of 2025, it is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. In this video, you will also learn about a new method which can be used to find square root of any number. This method is called long division method. For example, if we want to find out square root of 576, first we will group 576 into pairs from right side and we will put bars over them. From right side, 7 and 6 form a pair, so we will put a bar over them. Next, 5 is there in the left side. No more digits are there, so we will put a bar over it. Now we will start division from the left side. Here, in the left side, we have 5. So we will find a number whose square is less than or equals to 5. We know that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, which is more than 5. So we cannot take 3 square, we will go with 2 square. Here we will take the divisor as 2. Then 2 into 2 is 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. After this we will bring down the next pair and our new dividend is 176. Here first digit of the new divisor will be double of previous divisor. So double of 2 is 4. Next we will find out next digit of the divisor. In the dividend we can observe 6 is there at unit place. So its square root will end with either 4 or 6. That means our divisor can be 44 or 46. Now we will multiply 44 by 4 and 46 by 6 to check in which case we are getting 176. 44 into 4 is 176. So our quotient is 24. Square root of 576 is 24. Let us solve one more question. Here we will find out square root of 2304. First we will pair them from the right side. 0, 4 form a pair, so we will put a bar over it. Next we will put a bar over 23. First we will divide 23. Now we will think whose square is smaller and nearest to 23. Square of 5 is 25, which is more than 23. So we cannot take square of 5. We will take square of 4, which is 16. So 4 into 4 is 16. And if we will subtract, we will get 7. And then the next pair will come down. So our new dividend is 704. The first digit of our divisor is double of the previous divisor. So double of 4 is 8. So first digit of our divisor is 8. Then we will find out the next digit of the divisor. You can observe here the dividend ends with 4. So its square root should end with 2 or 8. Now we'll check. 82 into 2 is 164. 88 into 8 is 704. So we will take 88 into 8. That is 704. And if we'll do so, our quotient is 48. We can say square root of 2304 is 48. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling.